Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we are going to be installing the Google Play Store on an Amazon Kindle. Let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first things you're going to have to do is open up your Amazon settings, and then you're going to go to this option here that says Security and Privacy. And then underneath Advanced, it'll say Apps from Unknown Sources. You are going to enable that. You're going to get this big old warning about how it's unsafe and can cause unexpected behavior. We're going to hit OK. Next, we're going to open up the Silk browser and install 4 different applications. I will supply all of these links down in the description below. Make sure that you follow these links in the exact same order that you get them. It's very important. So first, we're going to download the Google Account Manager. Okay, once it's done, we'll hit open. You're going to want to read these so you can see exactly what permissions you're giving it. Once it's done, hit done. Then next, we're going to go ahead and install the Google Services Framework. Now, you might get this warning where it says this type of file can harm your device. It's because it's an APK, not from the Amazon store. We'll hit OK. It's downloading file. We'll open it. You might want to read these as well. They're different for each application. Once installed, we'll hit done. Then we'll go to the third one, which is the Google Play Services. We'll hit OK. We'll open it. There's quite a few permissions you're giving on this application. We'll hit install. And you'll see the option is to open this one, but we will not. We'll hit done. And then next, we are going to install the actual Play Store itself. We'll hit OK. We'll open it. This one also has a lot of permissions. I want to check it out the first time at least. We'll hit install. Now that it's been installed, we'll hit done. And just to verify that we've installed 4 things, you'll see 4 checkboxes at the top, letting you know you've done 4 successful downloads. And then as you can see on the home screen, you have 2 new icons, one for the Google settings and one for the Play Store. So the Google settings icon may take a little bit to load the first time. That's because it's updating in the background. It controls all the settings that work with your Google account and the Play Store. And as you can see here, it gives you control over ads, cast media controls location nearby, restore contact security, and set up nearby device. Okay, next we're going to open up the Play Store itself, which also takes a while to load the first time because it's doing a lot of background activity. You can see here it asks you to sign in. Okay, we're going to sign in so we can show you guys downloading an app. And once you get this far, you'll see that it will ask you to sign in with your Google Terms of Service. You'll hit I agree, assuming you agree. And once it's done signing you in, you can see here that I have full access to the Google Play Store. And just to show you, we will go ahead and install this app, Fishdom. We'll accept the terms of the agreement, wait for it to download and install. Okay, so if you go to the home screen, you will see that even though you installed it from the Play Store, it did add it to the front screen of your Kindle. And here, we'll show you guys it working. And there you go. That's how you install the Play Store and install an app directly from the Play Store onto your Amazon Kindle. So go ahead and let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will catch you guys next time.